Hey everyone, Big Will here with possibly my final update on this nor'easter. As you can see, if you look carefully, we have switched over to some wet snow here in Berks County. I am about 4 miles southeast downtown Reading, Exeter Township. Temperature about 35, going down now a little bit. The storm is beginning to crank off the coastline. And usually we turn to snow faster than parts of the Jersey Shore, but they have turned over at least north of Tom's River. They are snowing to beat the band right now. Here in Reading, Exeter Township, I'm going to go with about 6 inches of total snowfall. That's give or take. Let's go 5 to 7. That's my take right now.